Max Weber is also analyzing this grand structures, but by different approach. And what's that approach? It is interpretivist approach. Interpretivist approach, what is that approach? Hello friends, today we'll have a discussion on Max Weber's theory. Max Weber was a German philosopher. He has given a third important perspective in sociology. His theory is known to us by the name called interpretivist approaches. Interpretivist approach emphasizes on the fact that in order to examine social behavior, social world, we cannot only rely on quantitative methods. We need to understand social phenomena, social world around us by non-positivist approach too, by having qualitative approach. This is the major contribution which we have got by the writings of Max Weber. Sociologists like Karl Marx and Emile Durkheim have analyzed macro structures of society in their respective perspectives, such as conflict and functionalism. Karl Marx was analyzing capitalists and their mode of production by a concept which he has given to us by the name called historical materialism, dialectics involved in the mode of production, which is creating inequalities in society. Whereas Emile Durkheim has given us integration, importance of integrations in society. He understood the division of labor in modern societies. In order to explain modern societies, he gave us important theory called social solidarity. He explained characteristics of modernity. He explained capitalism by giving transitions of societies. He has explained it by the concept of mechanical solidarity and organic solidarity. So here you people can see that both Karl Marx and Emile Durkheim is explaining, it's giving us grand theories on capitalism, on modernization, on industrialization, urbanization. Similarly, Max Weber is also analyzing this grand structures, but by different approach. And what's that approach? It is interpretivist approach. Interpretivist approach, what is that approach? It means to interpretate, to explain. To explain, to interpretate, he has coined the term for such phenomena as Weristian. Weristian is a German word which says that to explain. Okay, so this is a major narratives of Max Weber theories. Okay, so this is what we are going to have a discussion today. So this is what you can see. He has given a high level of contribution to make sociology as a distinct discipline, just like Emile Durkheim. Okay, so he has given different dimension to sociology. Okay, so you need to see this as well, that when he is talking about sociology, he has given lot of emphasis on its interconnected discipline, interconnected approach. So he was influenced by political science too, economics too, cultural studies. So sociology he had read not in a rigid manner. He is definitely talking about the sociological tools, methods, but he is explaining other dimensions too. He has given economics, theories on economics. He has given theories on political science too, science as vocations, politics as vocation. So Weber's theory and Max Weber is highly important for us. Okay, so this is what we will see. Now, the method which I was telling you, it is about Weristian to understand. Okay, as I always emphasize on the fact that when you are discussing about thinkers, you should be knowing about their background. So on Max Weber, there is a huge influences of his parents. His father was political activist. His mother was devout Calvinist. Okay, so their lifestyle, their teachings had a huge impact on Weber's writings as well. So this is what we generally have to do. Okay, we have to understand that what was the influences on thinkers. This is I have already explained in my previous videos. Okay, now when Weber was writing, so Weber was giving a different dimensions to understand social phenomena, and there he has given that how a researcher should conduct their research by using Weristian method. Now, Weristian method is influenced by the writings of hermeneutics. William Dilthey is the main propounder of this approach. So they says that we need to interpretate. What is hermeneutics? Hermeneutics is a philosophy. Hermeneutic is a philosophy by which philosophers used to, or even today, interpret religious text. Now, when we are interpreting religious texts such as Bible, Quran, Gita, Vedas and all, we need to give the meanings, what is written in the text, and then we also give other background information as well. So we are deeply involved in the writings of the text and then we are interpreting. Now, Weber have used this method and coined the term Weristian to understand social actions. He gave lot of emphasis to interpret two you can say two factors or two social phenomena. What is that? Social actions of individuals and culture influences as well on individuals. So it's been interpretation of what? Interpretation of individuals' actions and also interpretation of cultural values. This is really important. We need to understand interpretation which Weber have given to us. It talks on two dimensions, individual and culture. This is what Weber have explained by the concept of Weristian. This is one concept which gives lot of fame, lot of lot of praises to Weber that okay, we can use this method to understand social action, to understand our world. He had further explained, which we are going to discuss in coming videos, that how one must apply Weristian method in conducting sociological